Hello class, so I just want to start by explaining to you guys how you can submit assignments. I'm so excited to start this class with you guys, and I hope you're excited also. So you can either submit your assignments by printing them out and actually writing out the answers and then taking a picture of them or scanning them back in and then submitting it, or you can use this tool called Kami. So if you want to download Kami, you go to the Chrome Web Store, type in Kami extension, and then it'll say install here. I already have it, so for me it says remove, but yours, since you don't have it, will say install. Once you install it, you can go to the Kami page, and you can see that you can open documents from your Google Drive or open them from your computer. And so the documents I will be posting are going to be Google documents that you can save to your drive, or you can save it to your computer. I prefer to save it to my drive, but that's just me. If you feel more comfortable saving it to your computer, go for it. So here's an example on week 1, Tuesday's lesson. There's the Tuesday's fraction lesson guided notes. And so this is a Google document. I already have it downloaded in my Google Drive, so I'm just going to go to Kami. I'm going to open files from Google. Look for Tuesday's fractions guided notes. It's loading. So Kami has so many wonderful features. So you can add highlights. So say you want to highlight the class objectives. Super simple. If you want to write your name, you can either use a text box, or you could use the drawing feature with the pen. So if I wanted to write Miss Robbins. I personally find it hard to write on my screen sometimes, so a text box might be easier, but if you prefer to write, it's okay with me also. So here's just some notes. Well, down here we're asked to solve a problem. The drawing feature would be better for because we can't draw our bunny hops with a text box. So we're going to hop on over to the dot to count. So we had 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 would be our numerator. Here, if you want to draw the 4, you can, or you can use the text box to type the 4. Then I need to count how many it is in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to get our denominator, so 6. So here you see our fractions 4 over 6. I'm going to erase this and show you how you can do it with the text box. Just simple 4. Get another text box. 6. You can also change the size of the font. You can change the color of the font. If you need math symbols, click on here. This will come in handy later this week when we are comparing fractions using the greater than, less than, equal to symbols. And I showed you how you can highlight. Say I'm confused about something and I don't understand this question. I can add a comment. I can highlight it and say, please explain. And when you save your document and turn it into me, I can see your comments. You can also leave video comments, audio comments, and take screen shots of things. If you want to insert media, you can insert media. There's just so many. You can insert shapes. There's just so many features that Kami has. It's such a cool tool to have, especially now with virtual learning. So say I've completed the whole entire assignment and I'm done. I want to save it, and I can either click download here, or I can click download here. So I want to either save it to my computer or Google Drive. I'm going to save it to my computer, and I want to save it with annotations because that's my rating. And I'm going to export it. This may take a few moments to load. I'm going to wait patiently. Okay, so now it's downloaded. So now I'm going to go back to our classroom. If I can find our classroom, I have so many tabs open. There it is. Sorry about that. So I go into our classroom. I come down here to where it says upload completed worksheet here. Going to browse my local files. And right here, the most recent file, Kami export Tuesday's fraction lesson guide. I'm going to click it. Click submit. And here we can see, once it loads, it is a document with your notes and your answers. So if that seems like the route you would most prefer, go ahead and download Kami. I will post more directions on how to do so. And if you're more comfortable just printing them, that is all okay also. I can't wait to see what you guys submit and all the work we do in these next coming weeks. Please let me know if you have any questions.